Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you top of the line steak recipe from Gordon Ramsay. Guys, I've tried so many steaks so far, but the best one that I really enjoy eating is Gordon Ramsay's steak recipe. So we are gonna share it with you today. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this recipe, we are gonna need olive oil. In total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. We are gonna need 2 pieces of garlic, approximately 50 grams of butter, little bit of rosemary, little bit of parsley, 3 pieces of steak with a little bit fat on it, then salt and black pepper, guys. Guys, what I want to tell you before starting to cook is to take out the steak before cooking, all right? At least 30 minutes ahead. So your steak will not be cold and it will be on the room temperature. And I've washed it twice, and then I have taken out the water with napkin, and now I'm ready to season it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put salt. Do not think that this is much, because we are seasoning right now, and we are gonna season both sides actually, guys. What I'm sure that the black pepper goes all around of our steak. Then guys, flip it out, and we are gonna use seasoning on the other side. Use my finger. We are gonna let it rest for 5 minutes with the seasonings, guys. Guys, let's start cooking. I'm gonna start with opening the fire on the highest level. What we want to do here is, first we want to warm up our pan and our olive oil. So in total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Guys, first of all, I'm gonna add rosemary for the good smell and nice taste for the steak, and I'm gonna make sure that I just mix it up. Guys, when your olive oil, if you see these bubbles in here, it means it's hot. It means it's time for our steaks to go in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our steak. This is the sound that you would want to hear when you are cooking steak. Do you hear this one? Then guys, just keep frying it, and approximately after 2 minutes you should flip it, so we will have the crust. So guys, now it's time to flip. Do you see this crust? This is what we want to see. Guys, 2 minutes more, we are gonna cook this side. It's also very important that we cook side of it. You can just make like this, and you see how they're boiling. Now guys, I'm gonna add our butter into the middle of our steak and make sure it melts. At the same time also, I'm gonna add our crushed 2 pieces of garlic. Just butter is melting. Guys, once your butter is melted, you make like this. You take the butter and you put on top of the steak. This is how we are gonna make sure that our steak gets enough butter. Then, in order to get the smell and taste of garlic, we can use our garlic on top of our steaks like this. Guys, once in a while also flip your steak. You see this red crust? This is what we want in our steak. Yes, well cooked. So it's not much left now. Guys, it is ready. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the garlic and take out the steak. When you're taking out the steak, always put like this. Always use wood, guys. Also at this time, I'm gonna add our parsley on top of it. And let it rest. Guys, do not cut steak right away. Wait for 5 minutes, let it rest, let the butter go into the wood, and then you are able to cut it and try it out. It's completely delicious, guys. I love this recipe. You should definitely try it out. Guys, bon appetit. Enjoy this recipe. I'm wishing you to all of you to have a nice, great evening. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.